SPIRATONE was a company specializing in low-cost lenses. This lens is well known as one of the most affordable vintage ultra-wides. This lens isn't one of the sharpest lenses around, but it gets better if you stop it down. Contrast and color saturation are both low. Most images will need a little post-processing. You can also notice there's a lot of chromatic aberrations. This lens is a Chinese copy of a famous Minolta lens. Contrast and sharpness are average. Spherical aberrations are very strong, making the lens one of the worst lenses I ever tested for portraits. YASUHARA is a small Japanese company, and this 35mm is their first manual full-frame lens. It's a small and light lens with a minimum focus distance of 29 cm. It's a pretty fantastic lens for low light and close focus, and it's one of my most used modern lenses. You need to screw this adapter in front of a taking lens to get a crazy 180 degrees field of view. It's a really fun lens to play with if you have the chance to find one for cheap. There is almost no information about this lens online. It seems to be a pretty rare lens. Compared to other similar lenses, it's a very light and small lens. I was very pleased with the sharpness and color rendition. If you can find the Bower, don't hesitate to buy it for cheap. The Nonce lens was offered with the Nonce SL42 instant camera. It's a M42 lens made specially for this camera, and it can be easily adapted on full-frame mirrorless. The lens feels cheap, and it's not great. It has strong color and spherical aberrations. But it's definitely an ultra-rare lens. I am happy to announce that the Iceland Photography Workshop is officially launched. There will be room for 15 lucky photographers. We will have the chance to capture the northern lights, amazing landscapes, while experimenting with weird techniques and cameras. If you want more information or get an early bird spot, click the link in the description. Be quick, there's only 10 spots left.